Hi, Dr. Miller here. I was selling my palettes, my eyeshadow and my new glow kit palette in Garland and Duncanville. Thank you for my customer Sandra in Duncanville and my customers in Garland. Today I was selling my palette and I so excited. It was a successful day and I was excited to sell my new highlighting glow kit palette. Was a very successful day and I enjoyed the day because it was really hot here in Texas. Let me see, I can disconnect this. Okay, let me see. And you can see how I was dressing today, super fresh. I was in my Capri using my beautiful and lovely Adidas that are my new tennis shoes. I love it. Very comfy, very comfort. And thank you again all my customers in Garland and in Duncanville. Sandra, thank you so much. You get my palette today, so happy. Enjoy it. I know you're gonna enjoy. And if you need classes, you was talking to me about teaching you how to do your makeup. I am an instructor and I can teach you perfectly. I will be certified as well. So again, thank you for those that get my palette today in Duncanville and Garland. Now I'm back to Arlington and I just eat in Jack in the Box. No menu, I think it was menu number 5. And it's just a hamburger with only lettuce, the hamburger and tomato. I don't want to eat too many stuff because my stomach is very delicate, so I don't want to eat other stuff. That's just the simple hamburger from Jack in the Box, menu number 5, and the bread is delicious, very good. So that's all for now. Again, that was my style, a shirt with rose, white capri, and my beautiful Adidas. And my socks are, as you can see here, the logo, they are Reebok. Because the other Adidas I have to wear with these are for winter. So yeah, I'm back here. So you can see how beautiful is the day still. Blue sky, and it's 7:30 p.m. in Texas. Look how beautiful the sky it is. It's very fresh now. It's not too hot now. So yeah, that's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and tell all your friends subscribe to my channel, and you will be receiving those that new subscriber and old subscriber that I have in December 3rd a palette. I will be draft a palette and probably more goodies. This palette plus my eyeshadow palette. So thank you for watching and again subscribe. Bye. Have a great and awesome week.